Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if your lock screen picture keeps changing when Windows turns on. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the start menu, type in lock screen. Best match should come back with lock screen settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel here, underneath background, it says Windows Spotlight. If you have Windows Spotlight, it will keep changing when your computer turns off and on again. However, if you want to make it a static image, you can just select Picture, and then you should be able to choose from a variety of default pictures here, as well as if you have your own picture, you can select the Browse button and then choose that. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.